As we refresh the screen, you can see we just cooked up $21,352.55 in the store with less than 30 active days of actually running the store. When we actually look at our ads cost, you can see we spent $8,290.90 on running and testing over like 15 different AI ads. When you look at Team Jobs cost of goods, you can see we came out to $9,445.36. Now, firstly, how much of this was actual profit? And also, what the hell is going on here? Like, why is there such a large gap in this store? Like, what happened? I'll get into both of those things later, but essentially the answer to both of those things is the same thing. AI. AI is the reason this store looks like this. AI is the reason this store, we scaled it up and scaled it down and closed it, and then we're able to scale it back up. AI is literally the reason that in 5 days, we were able to hit 1.8K on the store, which is the maximum that we reached on the store when we ran it last month. Guys, AI is the meta when it comes to dropshipping. I made this website with AI. I found this product with AI. I made all of my ads with AI. Like, honestly, if you're a UGC creator, like, respectfully, please retire. Like, your job's gonna be gone, because at the end of the day, why would I spend? Why would I give you money? Why would I spend on a UGC creator to make the ad for me when I can literally sit here for like hours, fine, but for hours and just figure out how to make the best ad, make the girl say exactly what I want, and it looks realistic, and it freaking works. It makes me money. Like it makes me money. Okay, so how the hell do you build this? Well, this store starts back in September when we found this skin tag product, right? We found a skin tag product with a spy tool, which is Mynea. Basically, I saw this guy's selling this pen, and the first thing I noticed was the fact that it was a problem-solving product. Like everyone tells you, sell a problem-solving product. That's what we did. Second thing I noticed is this product was making him $1,200 a day in revenue. So we got a problem-solving product that looks okay, and you got a guy making money with it. Now the game becomes simply, how do I outcompete him? How do I make my store better than his? So I go look at his website, and as you can see on his website, it's okay. It looks relatively decent, right? But it's not great. Like, it's generic, it's okay, but there's a bit too much white space. Now, the quality of the reviews, he has low quality reviews. He has no upsells. He has no bundles. He has no rapi. His product photos, I won't lie, the product photo idea, which is like to put before and after pictures, is golden. That's a good idea, but he's not executing on it properly because it just doesn't fit his aesthetic. So like immediately, I have so many things I know I can fix on his website, and I'm gonna show you how to fix them. But then the next thing is like, okay, the product, like, where am I gonna get this product? My first idea is like, simply, let me not sell the same product as him. Let me actually sell this product. Let me sell another product. Why? Because the product literally looks better. It's cleaner. It's got a more premium feel. So that means I can charge more for it. Like, this guy's charging, I think, $33 for his product. With my product, I can immediately charge $65. That's what we were charging, $65. And we can justify that price because look at it. It looks cleaner. It's electronic. So it looks like it's supposed to be worth like at least $100. And we're only selling it for $60. But not only that, there's so many other things that we're doing as well. Like, where do we source the product from? Simple. Team Drop. I always source my products from Team Drop. Why? Because Team Drop is the cheapest supplier. Like I always say, I will say it again and again and again. Team Drop is the cheapest supplier. If you don't believe me, that's fine. Whatever product you're selling, go to Team Drop, see how much they charge. I promise you, it's probably gonna be $2 or $3 cheaper. And when you're doing 300 orders, that's an easy $1,000 in pure profit. Like there's pure profit because it's cost. Anyway, at this point, we had a competitor. We knew he was making money. We had a product that was selling for more than his. Now the next step was the website, making the website. Now, this is the thing, guys. Everyone always tells you, okay, you find a competitor, make a better website than the competitor. But at the end of the day, it's not just make a better website than the competitor. Like, I'll show you what I mean by this. When it came to the website, what I did is I hopped in this AI store builder. Like, use AI to make your website as well. Like, find a product with AI, make the website with AI, make the app, make everything with AI. AI is better than you at everything. Literally hopped in a store builder, drop magic, and then I just made a website. How? Simple. This is the product that I had, right? It has an AliExpress link. Take the AliExpress link, copy it, right? And then just simply paste it onto this drop magic's like sign up page, click send. And then it's gonna make an AI website for you. And this is the thing, everyone has an AI store builder these days, but everyone's AI store builder is just like a basic, it's just like templates. And then you have to keep like putting different images on it. It's like, is that really a store builder if I have to go find the images myself? Like you can see, like here with Drop Magic, the AI images are here. They're already made for you. Like this image was made with AI. You can't find this anywhere else. But then still, this website, if you just ran this website as it is, it wouldn't look like mine. It wouldn't look that good. So you wanna improve it. What's the best way to improve it? This is the thing, guys. Yes, make a better website than a competitor. Yes, make it look more beautiful, but what that really means is also make it more efficient. What does that mean? You have a better offer. Like have a better offer. Like this is the thing. Like if you look at his website, he's just selling this entire kit, right? And then he's also giving them a free ebook to try and like boost up conversions, right? But when you come into our website, what are we doing? Yes, we're also selling the exact same product, with the whole kit as well. But to improve my offer, I'm also giving them, yes, a free ebook, but I'm also giving them a free cream. Then I'm giving them free shipping. Then I'm giving them 75% off, making it feel like, oh my gosh, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. And then look at my website, looks beautiful. Like, these are the types of things that I mean when I say make your website, yes, look beautiful, but more efficient so that it's easier for the customer to click buy on your store. And so how do you make this? Simple. You just go onto the store builder and you ask it to make it for you. Like, number one, click on edit image, and then the product image will pop up for you. Now you just go to your competitor's website, you screenshot their image, then you come back, put that product image that you screenshot on the website so the AI can actually have a reference and know what to copy, and then just tell the AI what you wanted to do. Like, number one, please use our competitor as a reference, but make our store look better by, number one, make the background gradient actually pink, offer them a free ebook as well, just like our competitor, but instead now offer them a free cream, and then offer them free shipping, and then give them 75% off, and make sure that's in bold. Literally, you just put these things in the prompt, and then you wait a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we've got a solid website right now. Now, because we're using our competitor as a reference, some of the packaging is blue, so just ask it, make the packaging pink. Boom, the pen's done. And then if you want to add a before and after, just click on the plus sign, go to verses, and then just click this one. Wait for it to load. Click on first image, after, click on second image, before, and then you pretty much, and then you're done. But like, you pretty much get it. Like, so far, like we've just done a couple of things and we're already there. Like, we've already done the thing. So it's like the product image doesn't just look better, it now also has a better offer. Anyway, the next step is obviously improving the offer, but making it more efficient. Again, how do we do that? Bundle. Look at his website. His website has no bundle. And look at our website. We have a bundle. How much did that bundle make us? We scaled this to $20,000. We've made $900 in revenue with our bundle, meaning in $900 in additional revenue, meaning there's $900 that we were not going to make if we did not have this bundle. And the bundle's free. Link in the description. And I will not lie to you. At the beginning of this, I did not have a good bundle. At the beginning of this, my bundle was absolutely garbage. It was just like buy one kit, buy another kit, buy another kit. But now that I'm looking at this, with just a little bit of marketing, a little bit of thinking, a little bit of like improving, we're able to improve our kit. Look here, this is like the one kit, and also we only sell it as a kit. You can't buy like one product. You have to sell it as a kit because that's just how the money makes sense for us. Okay, so it's $65 for this entire kit. Okay, cool. Tag body kit. But this is where my marketing comes in. Look here, instead of just selling it as a kit that can get rid of your skin tags, we sell it as a face kit that can get rid of skin tags, and also a body kit, meaning this skin tag pen, you can put it on your face or you can put it on your body, but you can't put it on both. I mean, come on. Like, if you put it on your face, it's going to be gentle and nice, but if you put it on your body, it's going to be full coverage. So it's not safe. And so now people have to buy two, because some people have skin tags on their body and they also have skin tags on their face. So they're going to go buy two. Beautiful work. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, another thing I was thinking about is adding actually a couple of free gifts, like making people want to buy that second bundle. Because the thing is, when people are buying that second bundle, it makes us more money. And so I was thinking of adding like maybe a free gift, like a free cleanser or like a free facial wipes, and then also maybe even giving them like priority shipping. So now it makes people want to buy that second bundle more than the first one. And so more people are going to buy that second bundle, and we will make more money. Like, all it comes down to is trying to make more than like this $900 we already made, because this $900 is pure profit that we're gonna take and spend on ads that our competitor is not spending on ads. Like, this is money that is actually allowing us to crush our competitor. Like, this is what you need to be doing if you want to make real cash in dropshipping. But anyway, after we finish optimizing our website, next is the ads. Next is making better ads. And now, how do you make better ads? Now, this is the thing. At the beginning, right? At the beginning, when we were at this point of the store, yes, we pretty much followed the exact same strategy that's been working for time. Go to your competitors' ads, look at their ads, try to understand exactly what they're putting in their ads, and then just replicate that aggressively. And that's exactly what we did. We just took their ads and we just replicated them aggressively. Because we were selling a different product, we just took this TikTok lady and we used her in our ad to basically outcompete our competitor. And yes, that's a timeless strategy. And so when I did that, I just made like a couple of ads, and then I launched an ABO campaign. Here, we spent $40 in the morning and we got 4 sales. I think we got like $250. So that means after $40, we had like a 6x return in ad spend. And so what do you do when you have a 6x return in ad spend? You spend more money. And that's exactly what we did. So we spend more money, and even at a certain point, we actually started to even scale the CBO because it was starting to do well. And so on the first day, we did $1,493 in revenue. And then on ads, we spent $700, meaning we came back with a negative $11 in profit. Now, that's the thing. Some people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, you lost money. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that we lost money, because at the end of the day, this store for me wasn't about making an extra 1 or 2K. It was about Q4. Like Q4 was here. I wanted to see if I can get the store. I mean, it was September at the time. Can we get the store Q4 ready in less than 30 days? And so if that means spending a lot on ads and only losing $11, by the way, I was willing to lose like $100 or $200. I would have done it, but we only lost $11. We got 30 different sales. We got over 50 ads to carts, initiate checkouts, people coming to the website and viewing. Like, that's so much data that I'm pretty sure, like, in the first week, you need like 50 different events, like add to cart, to checkout, purchases, in order to actually scale a store. We did 30 sales in one day. We did that in one day. Like, this store was good. Like, I didn't, like, I knew the profits were going to come. There was just way too much data for the profits to not come. And so then for day 2, all it was about was simply stabilize. Day 2 was get profitable, and then start tweaking certain things and testing different things, right? Switch something on, switch it off, see what happens. Shipping, offer, bundle, pricing, like just try to find something that maybe could be the thing that makes you a little bit more money and profit, and then on the weekend scale it up. That was simply the game plan, and actually that's what happened. So what happened on the next day? Let's just talk profits. $160 in profit the next day, $207 in day 3, $180 in day 4, $400 in day 5, $600 in day 6, $700 on day 7. And then on day 8, we did $130. Now, this is the thing, guys. This is what I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why. I don't know why we were able to do pretty well for like the entire week, and then just like off a cliff, our ads died. And basically our ad metrics were just garbage. Like, it's just like a day, it was just garbage. TikTok ads usually don't last very long, but they last longer than a week. So I don't know why. I don't know what actually happened, but whatever happened. But it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, that's just gonna happen in business, and you just have to react. And so how did I react? Testing more ads. Like, our ads are obviously falling off a cliff. Let's go find and make better ads. So that's what I did. I started bumping up the budget on testing new ads. $100 a day, $200 a day, and $250 a day when I was getting like kind of desperate. And honestly, it didn't work. At this point, we had like $15,000 in revenue, and we'd done $2,600 in profit. But after we spent over $1,000 testing ads, we actually only came out with $1,697 in profit. So at this point, I had ads that were dying, and then I had the new ads that were just not making any new sales and burning our profits. And at this point, I pretty much thought the reason the ads were dying was the ad fatigue. I just thought, like, simply the people that were buying this product had already seen this TikTok lady selling it, and so maybe the ads were fatigued, because she did get a lot of views. Now, I don't know how much money she made. She probably made a lot of money like doing this like TikTok thing. And so I was like, okay, maybe that's what's happening. So that's when I was like, okay, screw it, I'm just gonna switch off the store. And that's exactly what I did, and I switched it off. Now, what the hell happened here? Like, why did we keep going? Like, what happened here? Like, when did the AI ads come into play? Simple. Sora 2. For example, I'm scrolling on TikTok and I see a video and I'm like, oh, okay, that's a cool video. And then I scroll 3 or 4, 5 TikToks later, and then I see another person talking about the TikTok I saw and saying that was AI. And I'm like, what? I couldn't tell it was AI. And so that's when I was like, oh, AI is really good now. What the hell's going on? Because AI UGC has been here for a while. But that's when I was like, okay, what is going on? And that's when I started researching about Sora. I bought like an eBay, like freaking invite code and all this stuff, trying to get into Sora. Sora is the thing that I was looking for. Like, Sora is powerful. It's the most powerful AI UGC thing ever. I started experimenting, bro. I started like with Jake Paul. Like, I tried to make like Jake Paul, like different creams and all this different stuff. And I started playing around with it. And it's hit or miss. Like, if you're trying to use Sora to like kind of make money, it's hit or miss, because it just doesn't get it. It doesn't get really what you're trying to do all the time. But then when I saw that Sora was in Arc ads, I already knew what was going to happen. I knew I had to get inside, because the fact is, when I'm using Sora on Arc ads, it understands exactly what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make an ad. Like, when I'm on Sora, it's like I'm trying to make a funny video. When I'm on Arc ads, it understands. It needs to have a call to action. It needs to have a hook. It needs to actually be engaging. It needs to use the hands. It needs to point. Like, it understands exactly what I mean when I say point to the text. It's optimized for the ad. And so what did I do? I just took the ads that were working previously, the ads that had fatigued. I took them and I just copied them exactly, but now this time with Arc ads, like with Sora. And essentially, after we figured something out, you can see on day 1, we did $500 in revenue. About 100 of those dollars was in profit. Then the next day we did $324 in revenue. Okay, yeah, about $40 in profit. Then we did $584 in revenue, about $100 as well in profit. Then we did $779 in revenue, and then about maybe $200 in profit. Then we scaled to $1,821, 1.8K, which is the max that we've ever reached on this store. We did that in 5 days because we're able to iterate on the ads. And when I'm saying iterate, guys, I literally mean you find one small thing, you change it. Change that point again and again and again and again, and run it again with $50, and you hit 1.8K. This is guys, play with this game, play with this thing, and you will crush. Easily Q4 is about to be massive. I can feel it. I know it. I can feel it in my heart. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah,